Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Create a complete backup of your database before cleaning. Use your host or a plugin to export a SQL file. Download that file and keep a second copy offsite. Verify the backup file size and confirm integrity by opening it in a text editor. Note file names and timestamps for easy recovery. If your backup is larger than 50 MB, consider splitting or compressing it first. Never proceed without confirming a valid, restorable backup exists. Remove unused post revisions, auto drafts, and trashed items. Use a database plugin or run targeted queries to delete revisions safely. Delete spam and unapproved comments older than 90 days to reduce table size. Clean orphaned metadata and transient options carefully to avoid breaking themes. Run deletions in small batches to limit server load and use transactions when possible. Log each cleanup action and keep a checklist to allow optimized tables and run optimized table on clean tables to reclaim space. Use phpMyAdmin or WPCLI for efficient table optimization and repair. Schedule weekly or monthly maintenance tasks and automated backups to prevent future bloat. Monitor database size and growth and set alerts when size increases by over 10%. Keep a log of queries cleaned and plugins changed during maintenance. Recheck site functionality after optimization to ensure all features work as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.